So today I decided to do like a little clean with me on my channel, and my house is a mess. You probably don't even think it's a mess, but it's literally so messy. So I was thinking, why don't I do a clean with me and show you guys how I clean my house, my new house. You guys know I moved in 3 months ago. 3 months ago. So I want to show you guys just how I organize my kitchen and everything. And I am gonna do like a house tour. I already did like an empty house tour, so I have to do another one, but I want to show you guys like a little clean with me of my house because I haven't had time to do any other videos. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I want to show you guys how I clean my house. This is pretty much my whole house, what you see here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my house, how I organize some things. I'm not gonna do so much cleaning. Is mainly like organizing, and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna put a mask on and then be right back. I'm gonna put this one. This is a Sephora mask. I'm gonna put this one, and then we're gonna get cleaning, organizing, washing dishes, moving things around, sweeping the floors, mopping, and all that stuff. So let's go. Of course, and I bought some things, and I bought this jar of water. I bought this jar of Marshalls. It's so pretty, love it. And I'm gonna put my flour in here, and then I also bought, this is not even related, but I bought this to untangle my hair. And this is the ultimate detangler. See right there. And I'm gonna use this for my hair. Okay. Also, I bought this. I'm so excited to use this, guys. It's so nice. Look at this. This is so I can put my spoons and everything where I'll cook, and it was just $3.99. And I do have one. I do have this pineapple one, but it's so much smaller, so I wanted a big one. And you guys know my colors are turquoise, so I bought this one. And then I bought this. I bought this right here. I'm gonna put oil right here, and I'm gonna keep my oil because I have my oils down here, and it's such a better way to put your oil in here. Put your oil in here instead of like just constantly coming back to your oil thing, jiggy. So I'm just gonna pour some oil. I don't need to keep coming down here for the oil. I could just never touch this again, and then have my oil here. It's so cute right here. And I'm gonna write oil here, and this was $1.99, guys. This was $1.99 on Marshalls. Marshalls is crazy. And this was $3.49 also on Marshalls. And I'm not gonna fill it up because I hardly use flour. So cute. I'm just gonna put it back over here. Set of these, and this is the set that I have. They all look like this. So I went to Marshall's, and for the flour I just try to find the one that looks like the most similar, and they look very similar. I don't think anybody's gonna know the difference, so that is, and I fill it up with rice. So I'm also gonna organize my pantry where I keep all my seasonings and things, and I'm gonna organize this, and yeah, I'm gonna start by just taking everything out. I'm gonna take everything out that doesn't belong in here. So all these things belong here, so I'm gonna leave that there. Put that back there. All this belongs there. I'm gonna take this out. You have to see, like, it looks a little like too much, and I could feel it. So if I could feel that is a lot, then that's an issue. So, like, see all that. This sugar, I don't want it up here. Okay, this thing is too much. So here on the second one, you see here I want seasonings, and here I just want like things like this. I don't want anything else up here. Beans, also up there, but I'm just gonna put it down here. So I'm gonna start by like organizing. Well, I'm gonna put, like, I have these things up there, like, I don't know why they're there. Okay, so I'm gonna start by putting the things that I don't use a lot. I'm gonna start by putting those in the back. Like this coconut oil, I don't use a lot. This oregano, I don't use a lot because it doesn't really taste Dominican, and you guys know I'm Dominican. I'm gonna leave that back there. Put that in here, put that in here, so put that. Look how nice it's looking. I'm gonna put this in here, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, what else? I'm gonna put this right here too. Put there. Those things could stay up there. I don't even want them. So I have these, and this also gonna go right there. And the medicine is gonna go like that right there. Back to here, put them there. Guys, so this is how it looks. I'm so happy with it. It looks so much organized. Okay.